Well, it's never a dull moment here at Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm on the road again, but not going to an antique shop. I'm going to Wally World. Why am I at Wally World? Well, battery on the truck died. It started this morning just fine, but it usually only spins like one cylinder, pops, fires, runs. No problem at all. But today it was a little hesitant. So I checked the cables and the cables were okay. So I went on into town, do what I needed to do. Went to the Bell-Tone store, got my hearing aids checked. Everything's okay with that. Under warranty. Life is good. But when I went out to get in the truck, it just buzzed. Wouldn't start. So I have State Farm insurance, and that means I have roadside service. There. Battery's a hefty little bugger. This is a 3-year battery. Just exactly the same rating as the one I took out. And this is a truck that was sold by... I just put the battery in backwards. Son of a gun. Good thing I caught that. There we go. Now I want to hook up the positive first, and the positive's got the big post on it. The negative's got a smaller one. Red felt goes on the negative. Green felt goes on the positive. Now, $10mm screw. So nice and solid. Put the cap down. Now I got that protected, I can't short out to it. You always hook up the negative last. That way, the frame of the truck is negative. If you have the negative hooked up and you touch that positive against anything on the frame, it shorts out. So, while you're tightening that thing down, if you reach over and hit something with a wrench, boom, you got an arc. Doesn't take much to screw up your day. There we go, nice and solid. These little ratchet wrenches are sure handy. Just go down there and slip that wedge block into the slot in the battery so that it goes in there and grabs a hold of it. And my hand's in the way, sorry about that. Okay, that's got that. Take my 1/2-inch wrench down there and tighten that bolt up. Having the one with a bend in it makes life easier too. So I can hold that wrench at an angle and clear, and everything works just fine. Okay, now we try the truck, see if it starts. Everything has a cost. I might have got a wood splitter this week, but I lost a battery. Okay, try and start the truck, see what happens.
Atlanta? Yes.
Looks like we're all okay. Next, got to change the oil. Yeah. Little doohickey says, oil change. Since I'm the man that does that too, we'll just have to make arrangements to get some more oil and change this puppy out. Now, I go by the mileage, and this thing goes by the time. So, I don't drive this thing much. Last oil change was March. Now it's November. So now I got the same battery in it that I had in it. 24F, 3-year battery. The other one lasted 10 years. I don't know if I'll get 10 years out of this one, but I'm hoping. Well, I'm on the road again, but I'm at Walmart at the service center. No, I'm not having service done to my truck. I'm doing service to my truck. 10-year-old battery put in 2015 has decided that it no longer wants to stay trustworthy. So I took it over to O'Reilly and had them check the battery, and they said it's a bad battery. They gave me a price of $240. And I said, well, I'm gonna have to wait a little while on that. But I knew I had to go to Walmart anyway, so I stopped over here at Walmart and had them priced it at $142 with tax. He needs bigger casters on his little cart. So $142 won the price, and so I bought one. Came over here, pulled it out of the truck, replaced it, all good to go. Truck starts and runs, we're okay. When you disconnect the battery, the truck clock stops, so I got to reset it. Okay, that should take care of it. We're up and ready to roll. Starts just fine. Well, I was going to go to the bank and cash the check from the scrapyard, but it's $4.53, and I spent 3 hours futzing around with this battery deal. So I'm not going to get that done. But all in all, it's been a good day. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I'd read them all. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.